Well, we finished everything but our double crop soybeans at this farm yesterday. So we got switched over to corn. I've been at work all day and everyone else had other things to do, so we're just kind of getting started for the day. But Paul's going on corn now. So I'm gonna go jump in with him and see how things are going. Until he's almost full, then I'll probably run the auger wagon for him to keep him moving. But hopefully things are going well. It's another beautiful day. No clouds in the sky. I'm gonna jump in with him. Let's jump in the combine with Paul. How's it going today, Paul?
Good.
He's a corn harvesting machine. Paul's unloading his first hopper full for the day. Good work out there. Empties pretty quick. We don't have quite enough of the field opened up to do some unloading on the go, but once he gets more of it cleared off, I'll go jump another tractor and we'll keep him rolling, but for now we gotta stop. This field's pretty tight, so once he gets out of the big part, we can do some unloading on the go. The end row corn, never too great. Not with the trees and the deer. And we saw a beaver trail earlier that I'll put in this video. There's a creek that runs along the backside of those trees, so down there we found a beaver trail where they were coming up into the field, stealing the corn and dragging it to the river or the creek to use it for their dam. So we got about every form of wildlife you can imagine. We're on our second lap around the field now, and overall, based on the yield monitor, which you knows how accurate it is, the outside was running about 160 to 180. This pass is running about 200 to 220. In my opinion, that's really good, especially for this field where most of the time it gets ate up by deer and other creatures. So I think our county average is just under 200, so in my opinion, anything over that is good. So what do you think, Paul?
I'd say so.
I think we're sitting pretty good so far. Paul's full. Actually got it a little too full. Had a couple kernels bouncing on the cab, so I came to get the auger wagon. Getting him unloaded here. Loading up the semi with some corn. Well, I ran into a slight problem. As you can see, the auger on this doesn't quite close all the way. And there's your result. I've done worse though. Just dumped that one onto the semi. Now Paul's already been back and dumped another load onto this one. So I'm trying to keep up to him, but it goes pretty fast when we're selling corn. Just because the yields are so much higher than soybeans per acre. So I'm gonna go dump this now. And then once the semi is full, we'll fill these up in the combine, and that'll be it for the day. I was kind of spacing out, should have been recording it, but knocked that tree down in order to make more room for next year. Get the combine through that field, so awesome project. I'm gonna jump in with Paul here. We have another incredible moon tonight. I believe that is a Hunter supermoon. Amazing. Finish filling this up, and it'll be done for the night. See the moon coming in on the cab of the combine. Dusty. How's today been, Paul?
Good.
A true professional. All still rolling right along. Looks like we had some poor emergence or something happened on this road. Hard to say.
Probably sprayer tracks.
Could be from the sprayer track. Paul filled everything up, so we're heading home today. Nice first full day of corn. Good job today, Paul.